Hi, this is TariToys. Shall we get started? In stage 1, we will begin creating Elmosquitto by knitting its legs. Cast on 13 stitches with the main yarn using classic cast-on method. Save a thread reserve of about 25 centimeters. We cast on one more stitch to smoothly connect the stitches into a circle. Then we will pass the last stitch over the first and get the required number of stitches and an even circle. Separate your knitting into two parts for magic loop. On the first needle, there are 6 stitches. On the second, 7 stitches. Slide the stitches to the beginning of the needles and position the needles parallel to each other. Transfer the last stitch from the second needle to the first needle. Place the working thread between the needles. Pull the second needle out, sliding the stitches onto the cable. Slip the stitches from the left needle to the right one. Pass the first stitch over the second one. Return the resulting stitch back to the left needle, pull up the tail. Knit 3 rows. Pull the thread between needle changes. Row 4, colour change.